Hello guys, thank you for watching Flores by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so the unboxing for today is this. Unboxing. Okay guys, so I'm going to cut to open sesame. Okay. So look at this guys. Oh, so like that. Look at that. So this is Suceurs De Sang. What's that?
It's the French release of a Blu-ray for the film called Incensed for the Damned.
So
it's a British film made in 1969, released in 1970 originally.
Oh, so it's...
I've been waiting for a Blu-ray release for many years for this, and now it's out at last.
Oh, so you've been
But
waiting
they
for
released
this?
it in France, nowhere else on Blu-ray.
So is this in subtitle?
It should be in English.
Oh, it should be in English.
Maybe there's a subtitled or dubbed French version as well.
Yeah, it is the version Anglaise. Anglaise. So this is in English.
Yeah.
So the doctors wear scarlet.
That was the book it was based on. Doctors Wear Scarlet. And it was originally called Incense for the Damned, but when it was first released on video, they changed the title to Bloodsuckers. So it's available on video and DVD under the title Bloodsuckers.
Oh.
This is the first time ever they've released it on Blu-ray. And I've been waiting for it for a long time. The disappointing thing is it's still not the complete film.
What do you mean?
It's cut. For some reason they always release cut versions.
So it's not full version?
It was originally 90 minutes, but I think this is 83 minutes.
Yeah, 83 minutes.
It's still longer than most of the previous versions, which were around 73 minutes in the UK.
But the DVD is 80 minutes.
Yeah, because it runs at 25 frames per second instead of 24.
Oh,
Slightly
and the
faster
Blu-ray
speed.
is 83 minutes.
Yeah, so it's still cut by 7 minutes, unfortunately.
So that's a lot.
I know. But it's still longer than, as I said, the previous British versions.
So will they give any extra here to make up the...
I'm not sure if there are any extras included. I hope there are, but I have my doubts.
Because it's
Especially
here,
as it's
they
not-
are in French. The wordings, they are in French, and I cannot read. So, le vampire comme transformation liberatrice. La voyage de transformer en cauchemar. Oh. Excuse my French.
I like this film because part of it was filmed in Cyprus, and it was actually filmed while I was still there in 1969.
So this is 1969.
Yeah,
So
it
this
was
is
released in 70.
This is an old film.
And it's got two of my favorite actors.
Yes.
Patrick Macnee and Peter Cushing.
Yeah, and Peter Cushing. So that's nice. It's both of them together. Is it the first time they're both in a film?
No, they were actually together in a couple of Avengers episodes.
Oh, Avengers.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Peter Cushing in Avengers as well.
He was in 2 Avengers episodes.
So just a guess.
Macnee.
Just a guess, maybe.
One was, yeah.
Yeah, because Patrick Macnee.
Peter Cushing is actually a guest star in this film as well.
In
He's
here.
not in the lead, yeah. Peter Cushing, Patrick Macnee is billed as the lead, but he's not really the lead either. The main lead is Alex Davion.
Oh, so why the
who
name
was
is not in
a
here?
series called Gideon's Way.
Oh,
Passed away
see.
recently.
Okay, yeah.
But
his
because
name is not
Patrick
there.
Macnee is more famous, they put his name as the main lead.
Oh, so That's not nice. They should put his name as well. Oh, so I'm excited to see this then, because it's what do you call this? Incense for the Damned. So that is the
Yeah, that was
translation
the
of
original
this. So they are,
title.
there's bloody thing.
I had this film on Super 8mm many years ago, back in the 70s. That was cut to about 70 minutes. Then I had it on Betamax. That was about 73 minutes, approximately.
Oh, so that's still less.
Yeah. Then I had it on DVD, again, about 73 minutes. But they included...
This one is 80.
They included 3 minutes of the cuts that were made by the censors, British Board of Film
So
Censors.
they put it back.
They didn't put it back in the film, they just included it as an extra.
Oh, see, extra.
Yeah. That was only about 3 minutes or so. Yeah, it was on the DVD. I bought the American DVD releases as well.
Yeah.
They were about 80 minutes.
So maybe they got different
So-
cover in there. The
Yeah, that was
American.
different covers, different titles. They were Bloodsuckers, the titles.
Blood
On all the
Suckers.
video and DVD releases before, the title was Bloodsuckers, which is not the original title.
So this is the original.
It should be, hopefully. I don't know whether it is or not. Or
Because
whether
this
it's
is in
just-
France.
Yeah.
So they made it first in France.
No,
and
it's
in
an English film. It was in English. It's always been in English.
Oh, okay.
This is a French release, the Blu-ray.
Mm.
Released in France.
Oh, right.
They must have bought the rights. Released it there. I don't know why they haven't released it here in Blu-ray.
So it means people will buy the different things, but it's still the same film.
Yeah, still the same film.
Oh.
So this version is a tiny bit longer than the American one.
This is 83 minutes.
And it's got 10 minutes longer than the British previous British releases.
10 minutes longer.
Approximately. Maybe slightly less, because I said the video, the original DVDs and videos run at 25 frames per second instead of 24,
Oh, right. Okay.
which shortens the running speed by about 3 minutes. It's a shame that it wasn't the full 90-minute version,
Yeah.
which I've never seen.
So what's this? Robert Hartford Davis. So this,
He was the director, but he had his name removed from the film
why?
because
But we
the
put it in
the
here.
distributors messed about with the film a lot, cut it,
And
he didn't like that, so he had his name removed.
oh, what a
All the
shame.
versions I've seen of the film, both on Super 8 and video and DVD, his name is not on the film.
But
There's
it's
no
it's in
director's
here
name.
now because it's
Yeah,
in
they put it
French.
there because they obviously know who the director is.
Oh,
They probably have the original publicity for it.
yeah. So mainly these are the two main actors then.
Yeah, they're the two
both
most
their
famous actors
names.
in there.
Yeah, there are some famous in here, but it's only the two of them. The name is in there.
Yeah.
So it would
It's
be
good.
nice.
I mean, I enjoyed it. Not everybody likes it, but I certainly like it. And it's very nostalgic for me. As I said, because it
Because
was
it's-
filmed partly,
In Cyprus.
yeah, where I originally come from, and I was there when they were filming it.
How did
I
you
didn't
know?
see them.
How did you know that?
Because my father took us, the whole family,
To the mountain.
in the car to Girne.
So this is made in Girne.
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 Yeah, not the whole film, but I would say about 1/3 of the film at least
Yeah.
was actually shot in Girne,
And then
a seaside town.
you saw them.
Well,
Filmed.
some of the roads were blocked when we were driving, and then my father stopped and asked somebody what's happening. And he was told John Steed is making a film. John Steed being the character name of Patrick Macnee in the Avengers.
Yes,
Although
yes.
it wasn't Avengers he was making. We didn't know what film he was making, but this was the film.
Also, they're not telling the truth because...
Well, they are, but he was best known as John Steed at the
Oh,
time.
right, yeah.
Back in the 60s, late 60s.
So you still remember that?
Yeah.
How old are you then?
Very young.
7?
About 10, I think.
So you really love films.
Yeah.
It really shows until now.
I didn't see the film though until, I would say, about 1974, 75, thereabouts. When I got it on 8mm.
So
Super 8.
year is
I
this?
didn't even know this was the film
So what year
until I
is
watched
this?
it. Made in 1969, but released in 1970.
Oh, 1969. When they made it in Girne.
Yeah.
Girne.
Girne, or
Girne.
Kyrenia, as it's known in Greek.
So that is the mountain, eh?
It's over the mountain. It's not.
And overlooking the sea.
Yeah, this is seaside beaches. Very nice beaches there.
Yeah, because
The mountains are behind it.
area. Yeah.
And they had the best beaches there. They still have, I presume.
There. I wish we can go there and visit. So this is nice. I wanted to see this so I can see the old Cyprus.
Yes.
Anyway, it's still the old one because now it's new. So it's nice to see.
You see a bit of the Five-Finger Mountains, plus, as I said, bits of Kyrenia, Girne.
Yeah. Oh, that would be nice.
Part of it is also shot in United Kingdom, in Oxford.
Also, maybe part of it.
Oxford College.
Half of it, maybe.
Yeah, more or less.
Oh, that's good. I'm so excited to see.
It's got other fairly famous stars in it as well. Edward Woodward is a guest star. He's only in one scene.
The Caesar.
No, Edward Woodward. He played the Equalizer, the original TV series.
I thought the Caesar.
And before that, Cullen.
Yeah.
Series called Cullen. He was in that.
Patrick
Patrick Mower, who's still in, I think it's maybe Emmerdale, I'm not too sure. He's in one of the British soaps.
So he might
still
be
acting.
older by now.
Yeah, he's a lot older now. I think he's the only surviving male member of the cast. All the others have gone.
Maybe that's the one.
No, I can't remember his name. Patrick Mower. Patrick Mower was also in a film called The Devil Rides Out, which is a very good Hammer film, which was made, I think, 1 year before this one. He virtually played the same part in that one. Different character name, but practically the same part.
Oh, see, okay. I'm so excited to see this.
Imogen Hassel, one of the ladies.
The ladies.
She passed away when she was quite young, I believe.
Oh. I don't see any ladies.
There's David Lodge.
I don't see any ladies in here. They don't show it.
There is. There.
Where?
That's Imogen Hassel.
Oh, because it's looking up, so I thought it's a man. Oh, yeah, okay.
It's David Lodge, British character actor.
Yeah.
He used to be in the Pink Panther films. There's Johnny Secca, African actor. He's fairly well known in the 60s.
So this is nice. Is this red? Red thing. Oh, no. I think it's blue because this is the thing there.
Yeah, there you go.
Only the sleeve is red. Yeah, okay, so that's very good thing.
So this will be the first time it's released in its original format rather than the 4.3. I'm not too sure. It may have been shot in 4.3 because in those days some films were still shot in 4.3 instead of 1:8:5 ratio.
So
Some were
how about
1:66.
this?
I have a
This is
feeling it may have been
1:66.
shot 1:66 probably.
1:6.
So it will have black lines on each side of the picture.
Oh, on each side,
Yeah,
not
narrow black
top
line.
bottom as well.
No,
Oh, okay.
on the two sides.
So
And
English
hopefully the
version
picture quality will be better than all the previous versions, being Blu-ray.
Yeah.
That's high
2.0
definition.
if it's English version.
The sound,
Oh,
it's mono. Made in mono.
oh, so that is the sound. Oh, okay. All right. So this is so exciting.
I
Amazing.
shall look forward to watching it again.
Yeah. Nouveau Master. British Terrors. Is here British Terrors? Yeah. Alright. Okay guys, so you got a glimpse of something. What happened in here. How where they made it. So
Yeah, they don't actually tell you in the film that they
oh,
are
they
in
don't.
Cyprus. No,
Oh, so
it's supposed to be on the island of Mykonos.
Mykonos. So that
Yeah.
is Greek.
I don't know whether some parts of it may have been there, but I know most of the Greek parts that they filmed were in Cyprus, in Kyrenia, because I recognize it.
Oh. So they didn't actually say, but now you know it, guys,
Yeah.
where it was made,
Yes.
partly.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye bye. Love love love.